So I really wasn't sure if we were going to be blessed with another box to end the year, but we have. This literally just arrived today. It's the Alice in Wonderland box. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I haven't yet had a peek inside, so we're gonna open it up together. And yes, I'm fully aware that this is my third time wearing this Christmas cape, but you know what? It's fabulous, so just get into it. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and I'm super duper excited to get into the Alice in Wonderland box. Now, funny story, I already did the intro for this video about 5 minutes ago. It wasn't quite what I thought that it was.
It literally just came today. It's time to open up the Sophie and Toffee calendar box.
I can't get it open.
That's different. This whole box is different.
Is this the right box? Could you imagine?
Ooh. It's not the calendar box.
Yeah, so that was a bit of a surprise. So to keep with the whole surprise theme, I've decided not to take a sneak peek inside of the box, but we do need to appreciate how beautiful that the box actually is. It is absolutely stunning. My goodness, I love, love, love all of the artwork. I love all of the flowers. I think it's super, super pretty. Now, I might need to check out the leaflet to see, you know, like which characters are what, because I don't remember all of the characters in Alice in Wonderland. What I do remember is that the Cheshire Cat started my phobia of the moon. You know, when he smiles and the smile stays and he disappears and it looks like the crescent moon. And yeah, so for many years of my life, I've been petrified of the moon. It is what it is. Thanks, cat. But apart from that, I don't really remember like most of them. So, oh, this is actually all wrapped up, I think. Yes, it is. Okay, so we can have a little peek at the inside. Ooh, that's really, really pretty, actually. I do like the designs on that. That's gorgeous. Okay, so let's see what we have. Box feels full, man. What's this? What's this? Pigments, powders. Powder. Oh, I took out two things. Okay, so we have here. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so we have some beautiful powders here in white, brown, sort of like shimmery brown, yellow, blue, and green. These look like the mica powders that we usually get in the flat packets. I'm wondering if this is how they're going to be actually sending them to us from now on. I mean, I like them in the flat packets as well because, you know, it's quite easy to store them when they're flat. But yeah, these colors do look very similar. So I'm wondering if this is exactly the same. It might well be. The next thing that I pulled out were these super cute little Ace of Hearts stars, Ace of Stars, Ace of Hearts clubs, diamonds and spades. They are so, so cute. They just look like little clay slices, I think. They are adorable. They'll be perfect for shakers. Next, glitter. Glitter! Oh, that's pretty. Oh, so we have some iridescent 4-pointed stars in a beautiful pink, and it matches my hair, and it matches my cape, and it matches my watch and my top. It matches everything in my life at the moment because I have so much pink. That feels like resin. Is it UV resin? It is. We haven't had UV resin in ages. So this is good. Only 25 grams though, so only a little bit. Maybe the molds are quite small, I don't know. But we shall see. Are these teeny tiny little charms? Maybe? Tiny charms? No, they're earring hooks. Okay, how did I not know that? Are we gonna be making some jewelry? Ooh, so we have earring hooks and is that chain? Yes, okay, earring hooks and very thin chain. That's a lot more earring hooks than I expected. I didn't think that we were gonna have so many possibilities for earrings, but I'm glad that they are on the jewelry train. This is good. You know I like to wear everything, right? First mold, what are you? Oh, that's why, okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There are definitely many possibilities for earrings with this set. Now, I'm definitely gonna have to check out the book to see what these characters are, but they are so, so cute. I don't know why I don't remember them. Why don't I remember these ones? I like the little drink me bottle, that's super cute. and the little pencil. I don't know why, I don't remember who these characters are. They might have just been like, oops, they might have just been like little filler characters throughout the film. I don't remember. Okay, what is this? Bezels? Bezels. Definitely Bezels. Okay, who have we got? Is that the Queen? I think that might be the Queen of Hearts. I think so. The Cheshire Cat, my nemesis. And the this way, that way, upside down, topsy-turvy, blah-de-blah sign. And who's this inside of a big hefty boot? Why don't I remember you? Nevertheless, they are super, super cute. This Cheshire Cat in particular is very, very detailed. Like there's a lot of teeny tiny bits in that. I did do a video very recently on doing very detailed bezels. So that might help you if you find bezels a little bit tricky. This mold feels quite large. What are you? What are you? Okay, I think that this might be like a pathway. It looks like a pathway to me. With like little yeah, if I flip it this way, yeah, that's definitely a pathway with like little pebble stones and stuff like that around it. So I think that this is going to be to have something to stand in it. I actually think that I might recall seeing something that Sophie and Toffee did that might go with that. I think now. Yes. Okay, this makes sense. So this is the this way, that way, wrong way, right way, left way, upside down, right, sideways, right side up, and somewhere, nowhere, anywhere, over there, blah-de-blah, signpost. This is super, super cool. This would look really cute in like a fairy garden. And this could actually be a really nice earring holder. That's the first thought that I had. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, or it's supposed to just be, you know, just for like decoration. They do give you blank ones as well, which is good. So like you can write your own directions on there if you want to. But yeah, I'm seeing earring holders. Seeing as they gave us so many earring hooks, you know, you might as well use them and hang them up on this. That would look so, so cute. We have some resin. This is just the, oh good, it's 1-to-1 resin, that's good. It's a fast curing one, 1-to-1, we like that. You get 100 grams of that. What else? Film, stickers, ooh, hello. Oh, these are lovely. I feel like I need to watch the film again. And just like fast forward the Cheshire Cat parts because he scares me. These are so sweet. How adorable are these films? These are so, so lovely. So they're actually on a transparent backing, so you can put them in like your shakers or whatever. I do like those. Are any of you guys fans of Alice in Wonderland? Please do comment below. I would love to know how excited that you are to see what I'm gonna make from this box. Beads? Teeny tiny beads? No, I did that last time. It's just a little bit of ball chain. I wonder if everybody got the same color. I got blue. Let me know if you got a different color. I'd imagine it's blue because of Alice's dress. So we'll see. It matches this tiny part of my hair. Do you remember how obsessed that I got with the ball chain from the last box? Oh my God, let's not do that again. Okay, is this another mold? And then is that it? That's it, okay. Last mold, ooh, ooh, we have a shaker. I like this. All right, I think we all know what I'm gonna be making. Or at least what I'll be making first. You guys know I love making shakers, innit? So this is the Drink Me bottle. Oh, this is gonna be fun. And you've even got little Alice down here in the corner as well to attach onto it. I like that. You can make your own little like potion bottle and then like drill a hole in it and make it into like a bag charm or something. That would be so cute. And it comes with a little Drink Me label as well. Okay, I'm looking forward to making this for sure, definitely. I'm also quite looking forward to making this way, that way, somewhere, nowhere, upside down and round the corner signpost, just because I think it's quite fun. Let me quickly check out the book, just to make sure that I got everything. It doesn't actually say who the characters are in that mold that I wasn't sure about. So you guys are gonna have to just educate me on that. I like that there are instructions, especially for the shaker. This is good. We need instructions. And there's instructions for the signpost as well. Fabulous. We definitely need to have more of that. Fantastic. Okay, now I highly doubt that I'll be able to get an Alice in Wonderland craft out by the end of the year because it's the 29th today. This will probably go out tomorrow or New Year's Eve. So I doubt I'll be able to have time to bang out an Alice in Wonderland craft before the year is out, which means this might be my last video of the year, perhaps, probably. If that is the case, I want to wish you all a fabulous 2022. I know that 2020 and 2021 have been a headache. I'm fully aware, but you know, be thankful that you have made it. You are here. And yeah, here's to 2022 bringing us some love, some peace, some joy, and lots of crafts on this channel. Thank you all so much for being with me this year. This has just been a lot. You know, this year has been heavy. It's been a lot. And, you know, you guys have kept me going, especially when I needed to take a little break. You know, you really did keep me going. So thank you so much for that. And to all my new subscribers who have joined me this year, thank you so much for joining the Shasha squad. I hope that you are enjoying your time here. I will see you all next year, 2022. I have no idea which video is going to be kicking us off, but hopefully it will be something real fun. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.